For Action News, I'm Anna Delaski. What could be worse than getting a bag full of coal this Christmas? Well, according to one watchdog group, a bag full of toxic chemicals in your Christmas decorations. Their phrase is catchy. Too bad, though, it's false. HealthyStuff.org has published a report saying many toxic chemicals are in your popular Christmas decorations, like Santa Claus hats, Christmas lights, stockings, and wreaths. The alarmist scare isn't surprising, though certainly worrisome that mainstream media gives it any airtime. So what did the study actually find? One thing's for certain, nothing is filled with anything. Here's ACTIA's Dr. Gilbert Ross with more.
HealthyStuff.org was a new one on me, I had to say, and a little research found that it was a branch of Safer Chemicals Healthy Families. All of these organizations, raison d'etre, why they exist is to seek trace levels of various and sundry things to try to scare the public about, generating fear and concern among as many people as possible, and generating publicity for themselves and donations. And of course, they tend to exploit the holiday seasons because they know that people are very involved in certain products at that time, and they have a more vulnerable population to scare. The levels of these chemicals and heavy metals found are not sufficient to harm anybody, although I admit that if a child, for instance, were to eat a significant number of these decorations, they would probably get sick. Not necessarily from the heavy metals, but from just eating Christmas decorations is not recommended. So I think if you can keep your kids from gnawing on and eating the Christmas decorations, we should pay no attention to this alarmist, sensationalist report. And this report is simply designed to scare people about Christmas decorations when people are just trying to be happy and celebrate the season. And this group, HealthyStuff.org, and its parent organization, Safer Chemicals Healthy Families, should be condemned for trying to exploit people at this time of the year. They tend to seize on the holidays. And this practice should be condemned. That they're trying to manipulate you, and don't be manipulated. This is so-called watchdog group is just barking in the wind and should be ignored.
To read more on this story and others, you can head to our website, actia.org, and while you're there, don't forget to also sign up for your daily dose of news delivered straight to your inbox. For Action News, I'm Anna Delaski.